Hello everyone, welcome back to MEM220 Computer Drawing, lecture number 2. Let's start today with simple part drawing. Previous week I teach you the basics of SolidWorks and we designed together very simple stairs and our character, alphabet character. So it was, interesting just to start up and let's say you can adapt to the interface of the SolidWorks. So today let's start with the simple part drawing. Today I'm gonna teach you creating some different sketch on different planes. This is first, and then simple sketch like arc and ellipse. Previously I teach you about the circle, rectangle, lines, and so on. And today a new feature will appear, which is extruded cut. Previous week it was the extruded boss. Then how to create a fillet for the object using the feature itself. Okay. And I'm gonna teach you how to show the model in different views, top view, right view, or front view, different isometric, trimetric, bimetric. And today also the first time I will start to teach you add relations. Every week we will have some examples, so I will show you how we can add relation. So today our training models will be this one. This is first one, and second one it will be this shape. Okay. So everyone, please open your SolidWorks and let's start our design. Okay guys, first after you open your SolidWorks file, new, and then parts. Okay, we can choose parts. Okay. After that, always I mention to all of you that in this course I'm gonna teach you all the measurements using the international one, which is mmgs, millimeter gram second. Please don't forget to choose this one, please. Then after that, for the first model, actually it's better to choose the front plane. So I will push this one and then sketch. Okay. Then I will choose corner rectangle. I will start from here, from this origin. I will go randomly, and then I push F button. After that, using the smart dimension, you can give the desired dimensions. So I will go 100 millimeter with 60 millimeter. Then push F button in order to put your shape in the middle of the workspace. Okay. After that, we will go to feature, extruded boss. I already teach you previous week. And then we can give thicknesses of 10 millimeter. Okay. Now, our models has a whole circle hole, let's say, here in this place. So what is the best plane to choose? Actually, not those, because those look, it's in the back side. So actually we can choose another new plane, which is this one. Okay, this one here. So I choose this one, right click. After you push this, it will become blue. Right click and sketch. Then Control 8 in order to make it in the front. Control 7 for isometric and Control 8 to make it in front of you. Then I choose the center circle, which is this one, center circle, and I go randomly this way, random, very random. Then using the smart dimension, I can give the diameter phi, which is phi. The diameter will be 20. and then please focus, guys. So I will close my camera in order to let you focus on the design here. Okay, so after that, after you push the smart dimension, I will give the dimension between the circle and look here. I push first the circumference of the circle, then look this one. Then I go outside, I can give 20. Then also the vertical distance, which is from this, I push this one, and then I push this one, and then I go out. Let's say, sorry, I mean this is the horizontal distance, 20 millimeter. Then I'm done. I'm done. So 20 from here to here, from here to the center, it will be 20. From here to here is 20, and the diameter, it will be 20. After that, I go to feature, and today I'm gonna teach you the new feature, which is extruded cut. If you push this one, look, the SolidWorks try to give some option, okay? If you want to change the cutting thicknesses, you can move this as much as you want. But for us, we want to cut it through all the objects. So I can choose from here, through all, then it will cut up to the end, okay? Nothing will happen until you push this button, which is OK button, green button. If you push OK, then the object will be cutted. Control 7 isometric, Control 8 for in front of you. So the next step, I will cut this part as well. I will cut this part. So again, I will push here and then choose sketch, Control 8. Then I go to corner rectangle. From the corner, I can go randomly here. Then look, I mean, where is our rectangle? It's on this plane. It's not backside, which is on this plane. Okay. So Control 8 again. Then using the smart dimension, you can give this 60 millimeter, and you can give this 30 millimeter. Okay, 60 by 30. Then again, I will cut through all the objects. So I go feature here, extruded cut. Then look, I don't want 7 millimeter. You can choose here whatever you want, or using the arrow here, you can move. But for me, I want to cut through all, so I can go through all. So it will automatically detect that I should cut through all the objects. Then nothing will happen until you push this button. When you push, it will be cut through all. Then Control 7, Control 7, Control 8, Control 7, Control 8. Okay, so then I will choose again this plane, and then I go to sketch, Control 8. Then using the same rectangle, corner rectangle, I will go from this corner here. If you can look at this corner. So from here, I go randomly up to the right end here, which is here. Dash line will appear, then I push. Okay. Then I will give thicknesses for this using the smart dimension. Just for notice, for information, when you push smart dimension, look, it will have some gray color. When you don't have it, look, it will become white again. So if you, to be sure, just push and make sure that is gray color. Okay. Then here I will give the thicknesses of, actually the height, not thicknesses, of 10. Okay. Then look, where is my new rectangle? On this plane. Okay. Then from here I will use the feature, then extruded bus in order to extend it. Then I don't need 40 actually, I will go for 20. For 20, you can see here. Then when you push OK button here, everything will be done. Control 7, you can see now the objects. Okay, what's left for our object? Actually, if you go to the objects here, look here in this position, we have some curved part. Okay, those curved parts you can create it using the fillet. Okay, so let's go to design. It's very easy to design actually using the SolidWorks. Just you go to feature. Okay, make sure that all this is done and the line is here. The line is here. Make sure that you don't have any modification situation. Then go to feature, fillet. We have fillet and chamfer. Actually, we need fillet, which is this one. Push it and then full preview. Make sure that this is full preview here. After that, I go to the place where I want to make fillet. So for example here, if I push, look, it's become yellow, but I don't want to make it this much big. I will give 2 millimeter the radius. Also here I want a curve fillet. Here I want fillets. Here as well. And here as well. And here as well. And here as well. Okay. Yes. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So those are full previewed. Okay. The item to be filled is written here, and this is full preview. If there is no preview, nothing, you cannot see anything. With full preview, you can see. Nothing will be happen until you push this OK button. When you push OK button, the fillet will be done. Control 7, Control 8. This is Control 7, Control 8, Control 7. Then, if you want to show your object in different view, you can push this one. For example, this is up view. This is front view. This is left side view. This is right side view. Bottom view as well. And here you can see the isometric, which is Control 8. Always I telling you using the shortcut. Or you have also dimetric view. And also you have trimetric view. Okay. So whatever view you are showing here, when you save your file using any extension, it will keep this view. So for example, let's show you. If I will go to save. Let's say I will go to desktop, new folder. Okay, let's say part 1, save. Okay, and this is using the parts. When you save using the part, you can modify it anytime you want. Okay, let me try just to save as, for example, PDF format. So this is PDF format. Also, let's say a. Okay, then okay, save. Now let me close this one and let me show you the PDF. Okay, now this is the two document we saved. This is the parts. So anytime you want to modify, you can push and then look. It will come with the same view, which is trimetric, and then you can change, modify whatever you want. Okay. Then another one, which is this one, the PDF. Look, when we save the PDF, look, it will be saved in trimetric. Okay. Let me try another one, which is let me, for example, try to move it randomly this way. Okay. And when you save as, this is very random view. Let's say BBBBB. I save. Then I can go to the folder. Look, BBB. It will be saved in the same view which you set in the SolidWorks. Okay. Okay. So let's start now with our second model. So let me close now this one. If you look carefully about the second model here, the best way to start is to draw a rectangle here from the top view. Then, so from top view, then you can extrude it, and then after that we can draw ellipse and extrude it, right? There are other people, for example, they start from here, from front as small rectangle, and then they extrude it in this direction. Okay, so it depends. There are many techniques, but I will go with these techniques. From top view, I will start to draw this object. Okay, choose the file, new, then choose the parts. Okay. After that, let's start from the, as I told you, the top view, because from top I will draw the sketch and then we can extrude it both, apply the extruded both. Then I push this one, sketch. Let me close my camera so you can focus more on the, okay. So after that, I will go for the central rectangle. From here, I go very random. And don't forget this unit is mmgs. Okay, mmgs. Okay. So using the smart dimension tool, you can give this 150 millimeter to 75 millimeter. Okay. After that, let's create our arc. Okay, so I will go for this center point arc. Oh, okay, so go from the center here, center of origin, you push, then look, one circle appear with the dashed line. Then you can go to one of the corner of rectangle here, push, and then look, the arc start to appear. If you move, it will continue to rotate, look. So we will stop here, actually. Then again, from here, you push, then you go to the one of the corner. Then look, the arc, I can rotate until I get my desired arc. So look, up to here. Okay, then escape. After that, go to feature, extruded bus. Then actually we have here 3 parts. I will extrude all of them. Extended all of them. This and this and this with 10 millimeter. With 10 millimeter. Here 10 millimeter. Then when I say OK, my object will be ready now. And let's start with the next sketch. Next sketch, we should start from this plane. Okay, you push this plane. I go sketch, Control 8 to make it in front of you. Then let's start to draw the ellipse, which is this one. Okay, so I will go random. I will put, for example, choose here 1 point. Okay, look. Again, I will have a circle with dashed line. Look, the ellipse can be created in different shape. Look, for example, when I choose this angle, for example, this angle here, let's say 45 degree. Look, the ellipse will be in this shape. But actually, I don't want this type of ellipse. So, cancel. It's not, mine. This card changes. Again, let's choose this one. Sketch. Then here the sketch appears, the new sketch. Ellipse. I go here. And then look, try to choose horizontal angle or vertical angle. This way, or this way, or this way, or this way. Horizontal or vertical angle. So I will go for horizontal one, this one. Then look, I go very random. Then here the ellipse has 2 important parameters, the big radius and the small radius. Big radius give 30 millimeter and small radius give 10 millimeter. Okay. Then again, we do another ellipse. So let me now choose the vertical angle. Let's say here this way, not this way, this way. Then look. Then big circle, big radius 30 millimeter, small radius will be 10 millimeter. Escape, then look, those 2 ellipses are not at the center of our object. So I want to centerize those 2 ellipses. So I can go for not line, for center line. Those center line is only used for creating the object, helping to create some sketches. So I will start from here, from the center. Here you can see from this center. Okay, look, when I go, the center of this arc will appear. I will push, then up to here. Then I push OK, then escape in order to cancel. Now let me teach you how we can add relation. How we can add relation? Actually, I push this center, then I push control button on the keyboard and keep pushing the control button. Okay, keep pushing. Then after that you choose this one and look, a new relation appear here. We have midpoint, coincident and fixed. I will choose this one, coincident. Look, automatically it will come to here. Again, let me show you another one. I will choose this center and please, push the control button on the keyboard. Push the control button and keep pushing. Don't release. Keep pushing, then choose another one. So I will choose this here and then control button and then I keep pushing, then choose this one, this line. And then the relation will appear. I will go for coincident. Look, the now center is coincident with this center line. Okay. So the next step is I will give the smart dimension between this center and this point, the horizontal distance actually. I will give 30 millimeter. Then from this line up to, from this point, sorry, up to this point, I will give also horizontal distance, which is 30 millimeter. Then they are symmetry as a shape, symmetry now. Okay, then I go to features, extruded boss. Okay, now we cannot see anything, just scroll, you can see. For sure, I don't need this much short. I can change from here to 50 millimeter. When I say OK, everything will be done. Okay, what left now? The fillets. So make sure that this is all done. The line is here, the line is here, the line is here. Then we go to feature, fillet, and then full preview here. Then I will choose 2 millimeter, the radius. Then now I will teach you how to make the radius for the plane. So if you push here, this I will go for fillet for all the plane. So look, all the plane together. I push this one, all the plane together. Then this one, all the contour, then look at, this is one of the way, and then you can go one by one, but it's a bit boring to go one by one. Look, because I push 1 2 3 4 5 6 contour for that. Let me show you another way, which is I will now remove those. From here you delete. Okay, I can delete all from this history. There is easier way, just push this plane, look, all will be done automatically. It's written here face number 3. Either you can give fillet to the face or to the edge, or let's say the contour or the line. Okay, then after that, when I say okay, my object will be ready. You can save it as a part for later modification, and also you can save it for PDF or another extension as you want. For example, let's say CCC. Okay, let me show you now. Look, now we have the part 1 is ready, and part 2, this is the SolidWorks. Even we have here the icon of SolidWorks, and those, let me show you the PDF of this object, PDF of previous object, which is very random view, and this one with this is with the trimetric view. Okay guys, thank you for listening to lecture number 2. I hope you get benefit from this lecture, and see you next week with more interesting design of different type of objects. See you and bye bye.